Welcome to ARMIX Machinery. We are the topmost leading brand in India exporting machineries for the construction and concrete industry. So basically we could see that here multiple machines we kept it here for the hollow block, solid block production, pet press machines for the curbstones, flags, tiles, slabs, as well as the self-loading mixers. Then we have a planetary mixer here. So please welcome to our stall. Have a look into the machinery here in Delhi for the Bauma Conexpo show. Here you could see the SLCM machine, which is built with Kirloskar engine, with KUMAR axle, with imported weighing scale systems, and one of the best in terms of fuel efficiency, in terms of operational abilities, and also durability of the machine. So this will give you a very good homogeneous concrete in continuous process, and very good for the applications like dam construction, road construction, internal areas, mountain areas where the machine is featured with a spider movement option available. So now look into the machine. Let us go to the planetary mixer. I will show you in detail what are the advantages with this machine. So this is the ARMIX planetary mixer. We have different capacities starting from 375 liter, 500 liter, 750 liter, 1500, 2250 and 3000 liter. The advantage with this planetary mixer, this is one of the topmost design from Germany and Italy. We combined it here and started manufacturing in India for the global market. So mainly you could see that this is the Siemens motors connected to a 150 lolly gearbox, and then coming back to the main pan where you could see that the liner plates are Hardox from Sweden. So these liner plates are reversible. Once the bottom lines are worn out in, let's say, 1.5 or 2 years of time, then you are able to remove it and put it back. Other advantage is you could see that the water pipeline, which is given with a flexible hose system, and for cleaning and maintenance this door is able to open, and you can give 2 or 3 discharge doors for the main mixer. In case of samples to take, normally in all the mixer you need to stop the mixer to take some samples, but here you are able to open it up and you can take small sample without stopping the mixer. So these are the main advantage, and you can see the built-up quality of the mixer and also the water spraying system, which normally all mixers they use the sheets made in such a way that with the holes. Normally the choking of water spray systems are always regular, but here we are using a spiral system. There is no holes, and the discharge of water will be very even. Now let us come to our machine for the blocks and paver and bricks. You could see that we have different models of machine, which is starting with we call it as BM series of machines. We started with BM3, BM4, BM6, BM9, BM12, BM15. Yeah, so here you could see our BM series of machine, which is mainly for the hollow block, solid block, interlocking, paver, bricks, all kinds of slabs, tiles, curbstones, everything you can manufacture with this machine with a single color or double color or multi-color possibilities. Here we are using the machine controlled with the Siemens S7 1500, the latest in the series for the controlling and operation of the machine. Secondly, you can see that here the Baloof valve for the vertical movement as well as for the horizontal movement, we are using it here, which will completely avoiding the dependency on sensors. You know that the sensors are normally having the problem of the water dropping or maybe dust accumulation or even hitting on it, that will spoil the system. Here we have covered with aluminum, so there is no water clogging or maybe the dust accumulation or damage due to any other external factors. So the machine is designed with a German imported steel structure with a special filler box system, as well as the vibration system that you could see it from SEW and Siemens we are using with the latest servo motor system. And this is with oil bath vibration, which will avoid any kind of troubles with the bearings. Normally the bearings are troubling in every 3 months to 6 months like that, but here in this case at least for 2-3 years there is no problem with the bearings. Now let us see the feature with the coloring, special coloring system of the machine. So now we are coming back to the machine, which is BM3 series, 6, BM9, 12, BM15 with its different quantity of production. I mean the BM3s can produce up to 5,000 blocks per shift and 15,000 pieces of paver or fly ash brick. Similarly, we have BM4, BM6, BM9. So here we are showcased BM9, which is a mid-sized machine with completely automated system, which can produce 15,000 pieces of blocks or 50,000 pieces of paver per shift. Now let us come to the features connected to it. You can see that here is the molds. How is the mold connectivity and how the mold fixing. This will be able to remove and reposition the mold within 10 minutes of time. And here on the machine you can see that the special coloring system, which will give you autumn leaf color or color shading system, even positioning of the color in different positions. Even the excess material, pre-filling excess material, everything can be controlled, and your product quality will be high dense and very smooth finish. So these are the advantages with this system. As I said, the machine is, we are using the imported steel from Germany for the mainframe. For other conveyors, hoppers, silos, these are all we are using Indian steel. Then all the components what we are using in the machine, which is Siemens, Bosch Rexroth, Parker, SCW Eurodrive, Lense, Baluf valve, these are the items we are using as the components which is available in the global market. Apart from the paver block machine, we are doing the wet press solutions, hydraulic wet press machines, which are good for, you could see it here, the machines like to produce the curbstones, dish channels, slabs. Here you could see the tiles, how the finish of the tile is come out with. So you cannot see any of the honeycombing or any finishing issues, and all will be in continuous production. So these are the advantages with our machine. So we have mini press system, single station and triple station. Apart from that, we have a hermetic tile press machine. So the entire batching and mixing plant, the advantage with ARMIX, we are able to make project solution as well as completely independent solution for the commercial application. So we could have mixed the things together with a common batching and mixing plant, and also we are working on plug and play solutions. So ARMIX is completely dedicated to it, and for further details I would invite you to the stall in Bauma Conexpo, or otherwise you could reach us by website armixmachinery.com, or even you can reach us by WhatsApp number or phone number or email ID by info@armixmachinery.com, and in the mobile number 9900050600. So now we are in Bauma Conexpo show, and we are just coming from Big 5 Dubai, and the next location will be in Saudi with Big 5 Saudi. So it is easier for anybody from different regions or from different countries. We are providing the opportunity, and we will be showcasing the machine. And secondly, all our plant and machineries are with 24/7 online support in terms of electrical, electronic and software is concerned. So this is one of the major advantage with ARMIX machinery. Thank you so much for listening to us, and thank you so much for visiting us during the Bauma Conexpo show to visit the facility and look into the machineries what we displayed here. And we are dedicated, we are passionate, and ARMIX is dedicated for the quality, and we are famous for it, and we will be always there. Thanks for watching us. Most welcome.